So a rate rewind is a tool that a developer can use to incentivize a buyer to come in and get a mortgage at the higher rate and still buy the condo or the piece of real estate. But the developer says, all right, if you can get a 7% mortgage, I know that's really high, I'll rate rewind your 7% down to 4.5% or 5% for the first 2 or 3 or 4 years to incentivize you to come in and do this deal. Well, think about it. What would you do if you were looking for a home and it was $500,000 and interest rates, having risen as much as they have now, prevent you from buying that home?
Right.
And man, wouldn't it be great if interest rates weren't high and they were sort of back to where they were 4, 5, 6 months ago?
That would be great.
Right? You would have an easier time buying. So the developer is going to try and help you get through that purchase by assisting with some amount of finite concessions. But you don't want to drop the purchase price, because the next person that comes in to buy after you is going to use your closed sale as the comp for them to go get financing. If you're a developer and you're selling condos and the market's not very strong like it is right now, you have to get creative and find ways to continue to sell your units successfully and quickly and ride out the poor market condition, but you don't want to lower the price. So keep the contract price high, keep the closed price high. The closed price is the price that the deal closes and transacts at, and which also gets recorded at the county courthouse. Keep that price high so that everyone after this buyer who looks to see what stuff's selling for, they see the high price.
Got it.
Absolutely critical.
Yeah.